Hello everyone. Are you also thinking of writing your first manuscript, first review article, first book chapter, first research article? तो आज मेरे पास बुक चैप्टर भी है जो मैंने पब्लिश किए हैं, रिव्यू भी है, रिसर्च भी है एंड शॉर्ट कम्युनिकेशन भी है. तो हर एक चीज को हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे ऑफ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू नीड टू फॉलो. एंड इन 3 मिनट्स मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि आपको जब एक आर्टिकल व्हेन यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग व्हाट आर द थिंग्स टू कीप इन माइंड और व्हाट इज द चेकलिस्ट. So number one is idea. पहले you need to brainstorm that what exactly is your idea. Find on Google trends, trending keywords like CRISPR, CAR T cell. आजकल काफी चल रहे हैं, right? Organoids or organ on a chip and all these things. So maybe there is a higher acceptance chances of these, but also there are certain journals which are targeted journals. जैसे एक particular field सिर्फ immunology, one is for rheumatology. ऑल्सो अगर आप एक रिसर्चर हैं आपका रिजल्ट फेल होता है, देर आर सर्टन जर्नल्स विच प्रोड्यूसेस ऑल्सो हैज अ नल और ऑल्टरनेट हाइपोथेसिस एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ जर्नल्स जो रिजल्ट्स नेगेटिव होते हैं वो भी पब्लिश होते हैं. तो नो रिजल्ट इज गुड और बैड, अ रिजल्ट इज अ रिजल्ट. So इस तरीके से you can see that my name is written. I have published more than 7 papers from the Scopus Index and this is from Ville, European Journal of Hematology, that is Indian Drugs, Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. One is a book chapter in the Elsewhere Academic Press, Current Pharmaceutical Designs. Then you have Indian Drugs ka this paper. So I have published a few papers and I have brought to you the same कि how did I publish them. So सबसे पहले idea and brainstorming using Google. Second, search strategy. जब आप search करते हो you should have a particular string, a particular search query that utilizes boolean operators. Boolean operators like and, or, not, correct? And means you have to include that, or this, not means avoid it. So these are certain boolean operators. Also when you search in different databases like Google Scholar, Mendeley, PubMed, there are a lot of databases, Scopus, Web of Science, Clarivate, right? तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए that what is exactly your search string. Keywords. You should know what are the ideal keywords. MESH, medical subject headings. PICO. So when you are doing a literature screening, PICO and SPIDER framework, phenomenon of interest. PICO means what is the exact interest, what is the exact outcome. So PICO is mostly for interventional studies, clinical studies, and SPIDER is mostly for qualitative research, exploratory studies. So आपको एक पिको या स्पाइडर फ्रेमवर्क फॉलो करना है. रैंडमली जस्ट कोई भी टॉपिक उठा के यू कैन नॉट बिगिन. अ रिसर्च इज अ फ्रेमवर्क, इट्स अ मेथडोलॉजी. लिटरेचर सर्च, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ लिटरेचर यू शुड नो कि कौन सी जर्नल्स इंक्लूड करनी है. रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम बेल्स लिस्ट ऑफ प्रेडेटरी जर्नल्स, डोंट फॉलो दोस प्रेडेटरी जर्नल्स, they have a false claim. And also whether you are targeting Q1, QT, Q2, Q3, which type of journal you are targeting. So literature search mein the timeline, it's very important that are you looking out for the last 2 years paper, last 5 years papers, so on and so forth. Guidelines that you follow, mostly Prisma guidelines is the most common guidelines that we follow. And we have ICMG guidelines for authorship. Suppose there are 2 to 3 authors, who will be the corresponding author, who will be the primary author, who will be the secondary author, all those details. IMRAD format, introduction, material and methodology, results and discussion. There should be a flow. जब तक आपकी manuscript एक flow में नहीं है, nobody would want to read it. Neither would anybody have an interest in that. Figures and tables, very important. When you are making figures and tables, you cannot pick it up from the Google. They would have copyright infringement and breaching. You should make your own image. How do you make your own image? SciDraw, BioIcons, Pixabay, FreePic and Smart. Here you have SVG, vector format images, which some are editable, some are non-editable, but you can develop it in a PowerPoint itself. So try to make your own image. BioRender आप use कर सकते हैं only if you have a license. Rather try for these. You get all the icons of the biological sciences, microscope, cell, nucleus, all of these things, छोटी छोटी चीजें. If you want to show downstreaming signaling or anything, you have these figures and data tables are a very integral part of a paper. You need especially when you are writing a book chapter. Book chapter जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा superficial होता है. You don't go into that much depth because there are a lot of chapters in a particular. Narrative review, mini review, it's a very small review, just a small bibliometric references. Systematic review, or research, what or short communication, what exactly you are writing, first you have to select for yourself. So इस पे एक detailed video मैं बनाऊंगा because it would be too long video if I continue and if I explain you all of these. Plagiarism and grammar. While you are writing, very important है कि आप paraphrase करके लिखे, same to same copy मत करिए. So 1 week, take your time, read through the manuscript. Take your time, go through the manuscript. And after you do that, make sure you have a good plagiarism check. Turnitin, don't use any duplicate or any other platforms where you have limited words and less authenticity. You can use Turnitin. It's paid, but it's going to be useful for you. So there's a lot of people who provide at 149, 199 and all unlimited pages for the Turnitin. Grammar, you can install Grammarly. It helps you to prevent any punctuation errors, grammatical spelling mistakes, because usually while typing we tend to make mistakes, right? Spelling, we get confused. So to avoid that, use this. Quillbot is a software that helps you to paraphrase, but again it's an AI based, so sometimes it might be also appearing in your plagiarism. It would be counted as plagiarism. It's also different types: mosaic plagiarism, complete plagiarism and all. अगर आप एक पूरा paragraph उठाते हो और एक दो line उठाते हो, cross referencing is allowed. Suppose if you pick up one article and in that article there are multiple articles from which they have made that article, so you can also do cross referencing. References के लिए it's very very important. You use Mendeley, EndNote और Zotero. अब ये पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर का ट्यूटोरियल आई विल बी मेकिंग शॉर्टली, बट यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन. लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज आर अवेलेबल फॉर EndNote, Mendeley एंड Zotero, where you क्योंकि citing, giving credits is very important because they deserve it as they have written the paper previously and you have taken or you have an ideology from that particular paper, so you need to mention it. So this was the first way of how do you write a review or a research article. If you liked it, do share it with your friends, and also I hope that you also get some ideas, you start writing on it. Thank you so much everyone, have a great day.